Hi students, welcome back. Lesson number 5, creating web page using HTML. Our next topic is creating tables. How can we create the tables in HTML? When we are writing in HTML, the table is mentioned with table tag. It is useful when you want to represent data using rows and column, the basic elements that make up a table including th, td and tr. To create a table, we required three things. One is table header, next one is table data, next one is table row. Then what is table formatting, what is table caption, cell padding and cell spacing. Let us have a look. To create a table like this, we need to follow these steps. Open Notepad and write this basic program. Title is creating tables. Body, after body, open table tag. In the table tag, first row tr, there should be heading. Th is equal to first name, then slash th, next th last name, close slash th, file, save, go to your web page and refresh. You can observe here first name and last name. Now th age, close slash th, close tr. Why we are closing? The first row is over, so first name, last name, age are there. Now we need to fill up the data in the table, so I am writing tr. Next row td, td means table data. I am writing Jill slash td and td Smith, last name is Smith and age is I am writing 50. Go to file menu, save and refresh your web browser. You can see here first name is Jill, last name is Smith and age is 50. Now in this way I am creating one more name. I am just copying and pasting. I will change the td here, td name. Next one is Jones, last name is Scott, age I am writing 45. File menu, save, refresh the page. You can see here our table has been created, but there are no borders. To get the borders, after the body tag there is table tag. Inside the table tag we are going to write border 1 pixel. So save it and refresh your web page. You can see the borders. Default color is black color. Now I want to change the color of the border. So same in the table tag only we are writing. After border I am writing border color is equal to double quotation marks red. Save and refresh your web page. You can see here border color is red color. Same I am going to create now background color of the table. So for that one, bg color is equal to double quotation green. File, save and go to your web page and refresh your web page. You can see here background color of our table is green color. Now I want to increase the width of the table. I am writing width 300 and height I am going to write 150. Go to file menu, save and refresh your web page. You can see here the table size has been increased. Next one is align. I want to keep this table in the center. Now it is the left side of our web browser. So write align equal to double quotation mark center. File, save and refresh the web page. You can see here your table came into the center of the web page. In that way we can format our table. Next one is I want to place table caption. So caption is placed in top of the table. Now for that one, in this after table tag I am writing caption tag open, then write here students data, close caption, then go to file menu, save and refresh your web page. You can see here caption. Next, what is cell padding? Cell padding means the distance of the cell, that is called cell padding. See here I am writing cell padding and 30 pixels. File, save and refresh. You can observe here each cell is having the 30 pixels distance. Now what is the cell spacing? Cell spacing means it is the distance between the cell to cell. So cell spacing is equal to 10 pixels. File menu, save it. You can see the difference here when I refresh it. See here each cell 10 pixels has been cell to cell, that is called cell spacing. In this way we can apply cell caption, cell padding and cell spacing. Creating lists. To create a list of items, HTML provides two types of lists. One is unordered list, second one is order list. First one, unordered list. UL. Unordered list means if you observe here the points, if you observe here it is denoted with squares, that is called unordered list. Used to create a list of related items in no particular order. Ordered list, OL. Ordered list means used to create a list of related items in specific order, like 1 2 3's, alphabetics, Roman numbers, like that. Let us have a look. Write the HTML program. Head, title, creating order and unordered list. Title should be closed, head should be closed, body open, and write H2 different types of fruits. Then click on file menu, click on save, you know the process, and open that file and click on refresh. You can observe here different types of fruit. Now how to get these fruits in unordered list? So I am opening UL tag, then LI list apple, LI should be closed, list should be closed, again LI open banana, LI should be closed. I'm just copying and pasting. I'm changing the names. Next one is cherries, and last one is mangoes, and UI tag should be closed after this list /UI. Click on file menu, click on save, refresh your web page. You can observe here it came in unordered. There is no particular order, but you can observe here point wise. Now let us have different type in UL. Inside the UL tag you need to write like this: type is equal to double quotation on circle, double quotation of file menu, save it and refresh your web page. You can observe here all become in circles. Remove the circles. If you want square, write square and file menu, save it and refresh your web page. You can see the squares. In this way we can create unordered list. Now let us see how to create ordered list. I am writing here different types of colors. Here I am opening OL ordered list, same like the list should be same. So I am copying the list LI tags and I am pasting. Shortcut key is Ctrl V for paste, for copy Ctrl C. Now I am changing the colors blue, red, green and black, and OL should be closed. Go to file menu, save it and refresh your web page. You can see here different types of colors in order wise, like 1 2 3 4. Here you can keep different types of order also, like inside the order tag, OL tag, type is equal to, if you write only letter A, go to file menu, save it and refresh your web page. You can see here they are starting with alphabetics. If you write small letter A, save it and refresh, you can see the order is in small letters. If you write here capital I, then you can see here Roman numbers. If you write here small I, save it and refresh, you can see here small Roman numbers. Now I am writing here type is equal to capital A and start letter from pre. Now file menu, save it, refresh your web browser. You can see here it is starting from letter C. If you click on letter 4, it will start from letter 4, that means D. In this way we can start our letters from our own wish. Whatever the serial wise you want, you can start from your own. HTML hyperlinks. To make hyperlinks in HTML page, use the A tag. A tag means anchor tag, which are the tags used to define the links. The A tag indicates where the hyperlink starts and the /A tag indicates where it ends. Whatever text gets added inside these tags will work as a hyperlink. Add the URL from the link in a href. Let us have a look. Write this program like this: HTML head, title we are going to change here, link and marquee, head, body. First one, welcome to my page. Click on save. Dialog box appears. Select the location and write here your file name. I am writing here link dot html. Link and marquee.html. Click on save. Now open that file. Now you can see here only body, there is only h1 tag. So you can observe here, welcome to my page. Now I want to go to previous page. Click here to go to list program, previous program. So how can I do it? See here, write ahref, then double quotation on, and write, choose the file. My file is in HTML concept. Here lists program, right click on that one, properties, copy the location of the file and click on OK, paste it and change the forward slash into backward slashes. So in HTML concepts, what is our file name? In HTML concepts, our file name is lists. So what is this file type name? So it is the .html file. So write the lists.html, that is link, and write here, click here and close the a tag /a, file menu, save it. We need to close here double quotation marks, then only it will work. Once it is open means we should be closed. So file menu, save it, refresh. You can see here, if I click that one, it will go to previous program. So in this way we can go to one page to other page. Now I want here one more link in this page also. How can I open your program? Link and marquee, write that name. Now .html, click here to go back, close the tag and click on save. Open our program, list program. When I click it here, it will go to that page. When I click here, it will go to that page. In this way we can give interlinks to our web pages. You can give your Google link also. Now same here, ahref, I'm writing here http www.google.com/ double quotation close, click here to go to Google, close /a, refresh. You can see here 2, but it is side by side. So I am using br tag. Br tag is used to break the line. I am using 2 brs. Click on file menu, save it and refresh. You can see here it came in different line. When I click it on Google, it will open the Google website. In this way we can give the links to other pages also. You can give the background color of your website also. In body tag, bg color equal to double quotations, red color. Click on file, save and refresh your page. You can see here background is in red color. You can give your favorite colors also, but save the file, refresh the web browser. You can see here the changes have been made. In this way we can change the backgrounds of our web pages. And our last topic is HTML marquees. A HTML marquee is a scrolling piece of text displayed either in horizontal across or vertical down your web page depending on the settings. This indicates the using marquee tag. Now we are going to discuss about marquee tag, our last topic of our lesson. Marquee means, in news you can see that text is scrolling from one side to other side. How can we scroll the text from one side to other side? Write here marquee and inside the marquee write behavior is equal to scroll, direction from right side. You can give right side also. Background color is green and close the tag and write school, whatever the text you want to scroll, write school and close the marquee tag. Go to the file menu, save it and refresh your web browser. You can see here background color is green color and school is coming from the left side to right side. It's going to the direction is right side. In this way we can place the marquee tag. Not only right, you can change it into upside, save it, refresh. You can see here the text is going to the upside direction. You can change it into down, save it and refresh your page. The text will go to down. In this way we can change the direction of our text. Okay students, that's all for this class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.